Hey y'all, hey. It don't matter that I'm Bob the Builder, Chef Boyardee, and Molly the Maid. At the end of the day gonna end. And at the beginning of the day, I'm still them kids' mama. So we got to get them ready for martial arts. And I also got to clean up my house after them. And by clean up my house, I mean put stuff away that's not supposed to be out, because I'm currently trying to unpack everything and put everything in its place. Okay? Y'all, I was really exhausted. I was trying to go to sleep, but I could not because kids had martial arts today. So here we go, off to be out here in these streets for martial arts. And let me just tell y'all, it is hot in Texas. But here's my little book that I'm reading, y'all. And here we are. He already giving the class a thumbs down and doing the most. And I tried to do what y'all told me. Give him a chance. Let him try. He ran out of there and said, I don't want to do the arts no more. So, there y'all have it, folks. I took my mans out of the arts. Bye. Also, here's Micah getting her stripes.